A quick disclaimer, I purchased this yarn with my own money. I am not paid to give a positive review or anything like that. This is a first impressions review and unboxing. So whatever I say is my honest and true opinion. I am here to help you all find value and really value in both your money and in the creativeness that you are purchasing in these yarns, because they are expensive. So you want to make sure you're getting what you're paying for. And so far so good. I am very happy customer, and I'll be putting in another order. So thank you so much for watching. Keep an eye out for when I actually create the cardigan, which will be this weekend. Good evening, everybody. How's it going? Welcome back to my channel and to another episode of Limon Crochets. I have an exciting, quick, new video for you. I just received this package here, and I'm gonna open it and just quickly review it and give you a little bit of information about the yarns that I got. I recently ordered a few yarns from some really nice hand-dyed yarn artisans. So when those come in, I will definitely be doing more videos for you, but I just wanted to share with you what I just recently ordered from HAUTE KNIT YARN. Before I open it though, I just wanted to give a little bit information about HAUTE KNIT YARN. I discovered her on my... Sorry, that was a firework. I discovered her on my Instagram page. She popped up one of her photos for her Jimmy Boombox yarn, which I'll show here, and it just blew me away, this colorway. It was sold out when it came up on my profile, so I put her profile notifications, and recently she restocked it. So I obviously went in and I ordered a couple yarns, and then I ordered this yarn as well to complement the Jimmy Boombox. I call it Jimmy Boombox because the sock name that she gave it is Jimmy Sock, which is adorable. But anyways, oh, there's a dragonfly in my laptop. Hello, little guy. But anyways, just wanted to show you guys this order. So, a little bit about her. She was born and raised in southern Maine, and she moved down south to North Carolina, and then after a while, she moved back to Maine. Her journey began in 2009 when she finished a book about 3 friends in their 30s who got together once a month to knit and crochet, and she just thought it was a very nice idea to get together and keep in touch with your friends, which I think is really nice. If you have people who you can crochet with and everything like that, it's just a really good time. And I mean, the time goes by like that, so it's definitely a very good pastime to do. But anyways, let's get to the most important part of why we're here. So I ordered 2 different types of yarns, and I just wanted to open them and reveal them with you. Shall we? Oh my god. How do you do this? First of all, look at this packaging, guys. It's so adorable. It's something different, something new, which is always appreciated when it comes to packaging. So very secure, first of all. I ordered this. This was a turnaround of at least under a week. So in terms of delivery time, she did a very good job to getting it to me. She's in Maine and I'm in Chicago, so it was a very good turnaround. Oh my god, you guys. Just seeing in the packaging, that's amazing. Ah! Alright, so let's pull this out. Here they are. This is beautiful. So I'm gonna definitely do this wacky cardigan pullover. I'm gonna do a wacky pullover with these colors. Hopefully it turns out the way I have it imagined in my mind, but that's the beauty of yarn. You just never know what it's gonna look like. I love that it's double sealed, so very good. My kitty cat just walking around underneath me. Anyone else smell their yarn when they get in the mail? Or is it just me? So, first one is... Well, you know what? First of all, let's do this one. Let's save Jimmy Boombox for last. This one is her Jimmy sock. So, HAUTE KNIT YARN. Look at that logo. Look at that saturation, you guys. This is what I live for. Colorways that are true on what you see in the picture. Even though it's all hand dyed, I understand that sometimes it won't come out exactly the way it shows. But this is, guys, this is truly amazing. So anyways, this is their Jimmy sock. It's a fingering weight, 463 yards, 100 grams, 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon. Hand wash cold and lay flat to dry. Needle size US 1 to 3 or hook size B, which is a 1, or E4. HAUTEKNITYARN.com, hand dyed in Brunswick, Maine. This one is called Rain on Summer Grass. This is beautiful, you guys. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh, it smells just beautiful, beautiful. Shall we open it? Look at that. The way you see it on camera, the way it's showing up on camera, guys, that's exactly how it looks. And I love that little speckle in there. Very nice. Here we go. Ready? Guys, this is just amazing. This is really, really nice, you guys. It's very soft. It's funny because a lot of yarn brands, even though they say it's the same type of fiber, they always tend to feel a little bit different depending on the dyes they use and stuff like that. But this, guys, this feels so soft along the skin. It has a nice drape to it as well, and it looks kind of, it doesn't pill, but it does look a little bit puffy, if that makes sense. There's some sock yarns that's very like, you don't see the puffiness to it, but it feels a little bit heavier. But this is actually a very lightweight sock yarn, which I'm very happy about. That means this sweater is going to be very soft once I crochet it together. But look at that, guys. Oh, look at that speckle in there. Good job on the speckles. I know sometimes it's very hard to plan those out, but that came out really nice. That blend, look at that blend. Ooh, I'm a sucker. My hair was this color blue before. I think I might have it that color. I might actually dye my hair this. If I do hot knit yarn, I'll be sure to tag you in it. I'm actually motivated to do it green and blue again. This is actually pretty nice. So this is Rain on Summer Glass. I learned how to put them back together. Look at that. Beautiful. A little bit unclean, but I learned a little bit. Cool. So that was Rain on Summer Grass. Really nice. A very good color for men's, even a teenager. Like, if you do a pullover in this, you can definitely do some really cool, amazing stuff with it. So very happy with this one. I can't wait. Oh my god, guys, it looks like slime. I can't. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, so let's get to the main attraction, you guys. Our Jimmy sock in Boombox. Look at this. I cannot believe that it's actually here. This is always one of the yarns that gets sold out on her websites. And since I got 2 hanks of it, they don't seem too different. They seem pretty good. So even though I ordered 2 hanks, they don't look too different, but you should never really expect for them to look the same because everything is hand dyed, so just keep that in mind. But I did order 2, so I will be alternating as I use them. But yeah, guys, look at that. Here's this one. This one's a little bit lighter when it comes to the speckling. So yeah, this one's in Boombox. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. The other one's a little bit darker. Look at that. Neon speckles. Alright, so I'm going to open up this one. Ready? Oh my god, you guys. Guys, this looks so cool. These avant-garde, I call these avant-garde colors because there's just no describing them, guys. This is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Ooh. Ooh, look at that speckling. Let me hold it this way. And it's so soft. It's so, so soft, guys. Look at that. Mmm. That blue to yellow transition, guys. Ugh. There's some light speckling here, as you can see. It shows up more in the light. In the blue, that's pretty nice. That's nice. And the transition from blue to yellow. Oh, love that, love that, love that. Look at that, Speckle Nation. Oh, this is nice, guys. It's so soft. So that was Boombox in her Jimmy Sock fingering weight as well. So once again, 463 yards, 100 grams, 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, hand wash, cold, late flat to dry. Put this. Just gonna open up the other one so you guys can see there's a difference. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, there's definitely a difference. There's more speckles here. Oh, and that bright speckled part right there. Ooh, really, really nice. Look at that. That right there. Look at that. Ooh. It's a Boombox extravaganza. So yeah, guys. So this is what I ordered. I got 2 hanks of Boombox, and then I also got this one, Rain on Summer Grass. So I'm just gonna put them near each other. So when I saw them online, hopefully you guys can see what I see in terms of how they're gonna go together. So check this out. Check that out. Oh, see? Do you see what I mean? You see how they're gonna go together, how they're gonna blend? They're definitely gonna blend, you guys. Like, I'm very excited about how this is gonna turn out. Look at that, just that itself. Imagine a sweater with this. So that's why I got 2 hanks of Boombox. The body is gonna be Boombox, and the Rain on Summer Grass, which is the blue-green, that's gonna be the detailed lines going around it or going along it. Since there is blue in the Boombox, sorry, there's cars passing by. So as I crochet with it, I'm gonna try to keep the blue with the green and the yellow with the blue. See how they speckle with each other? That's the plan. Hopefully it works out, but you never know. That's the beauty of yarn. But yeah, guys, that's what should I put them together? Look at that. Look at that. Oh. So that's kind of like what I saw in my vision. So we will see how this actually turns out. Very excited. Like I said, very, very soft. It's not drying to the skin or anything like that. And yeah, I can't wait. So I just wanted to show you guys real quick. This is again from HAUTE KNIT Yarns. Got 2 of her colorways. I'll be getting more. Definitely a fan. So I'll be definitely putting in a couple more orders. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys a quick unboxing. And if you have any questions, let me know down below. This yarn was $28 each hank. She had a 15% off for her reaching a certain amount of followers on Instagram, so that was pretty helpful. So in total it was about 65 bucks for 3 of them, which is not bad at all. But yeah, look at that. Oh, I can't stop touching it, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna make another video. I'm gonna work with this tonight over this weekend, and then hopefully you guys will enjoy what I'm gonna make with it. Sounds good? Thank you so much to HAUTE KNIT Yarn for sending this yarn as soon as you could. It came out really, really nice.